I've been around woodworking all my life. One of my earliest memories is my father giving me a knife when I was about 4 or 5 years old. I cut myself with the knife on the first day, but after that, then I was building things almost all the time. My mom, when she left high school, she studied timber. My grandfather was a commercial fisherman, and he built his own boats from trees that he cut down in the local forests. And my brother now continues that tradition, and he's restoring these old boats and using them himself to go fishing. Most of the projects that I've been doing so far have been one-off projects, tables or shelves. For now, a lot of the projects are boxes, and I think boxes or chests have always been things that people have used to store very valuable items, heirlooms and other things like that. So that's why I like to make boxes for now, and then later I'll get into more advanced projects with more difficult joints. I've always tried to make them very simple and very solid, but I haven't paid a lot of attention to the details and the wood that I'm using. So this project, Skutevika, it's a way for me to practice all the techniques and kind of develop my own style. And I'm writing a fable that underpins the kind of projects that I make. My favorite part of the projects is normally the finish, and that's where I do the final sanding, and I use several kind of finishings. And depending on the wood, it could be maquil, which is Mexican oak, or a local cedar, or maybe a bit of parota or elephant ear tree that I find laying around. And each of these have different tones and different grains. And when you pop on that last finish, be it either poly or beeswax or some kind of an oil, then all the magic kind of comes from inside the wood. I really want to try to make things that last, things that are incredibly solid or easily fixable, so that these objects can be something that can be passed on from generation to generation, and it's not one of these things that you get and then in a couple of years you throw it away. The things I make should be able to withstand years and years of use. My name is Leo. I'm a Norwegian woodworker and I live in Oaxaca, Mexico.